So I customised a Barrow to get around the site and to get the sleepers into position. The big wheels are because it's very sandy and it's high. The clearance off the ground, we needed that extra clearance off the ground. As you can see, it hooks onto the gunnel, the back of the truck, to stop it from moving around. And this was made up on the day on site, on the first day, while I had another guy kick the job off. The original idea was to use a quad and to drag the sleepers on a trailer to bring those sleepers into position, but the site's too tight, too congested. We needed something skinnier, and so we would hand manoeuvre them in. This is yeah, I mean, it worked very effective for 240 metres of concrete sleepers. It worked through sand, through congested, through all the access turrets. Very good little piece of equipment. And so what I would do is just bring these sleepers off. The sleepers we were using were bigger than these, longer than these. These are a 1500 sleeper. The ones we used were a 2150 sleeper, so an extra 650 millimetres, weighing 90 kilos each, 80 to 90 kilos. But for the purposes of this demonstration, we just scaled everything down. Zero weight, very easy to manoeuvre. Over here, these are the posts that everybody was up in arms about. This is the standard post for 500 and 250 millimetre sleepers. It's on steroids compared to the other post. Silica bronze welding, using Steno shield, so it's got zero CO2 in the gas mix, zero chance of it rusting, and as strong as. We'll do a demo. We'll look at that later. I'll show you why we needed to put this extra spigot onto these things in a little while. But they're kind of like a Swiss Army knife of the standard sleeper that they were supplying. You can see these lugs here what the sleeper sits on. This I'll show you is what the supplier lugs like this, you know, is basically all that is the standard sort of thing that people use to sit their sleepers on. You just screw them on. A big difference what I've done to what they've got. Not going anywhere. And there's a reason why I've done it this way. It locks it's going to act as a lock for the sleeper when it's in position. I'll show you. There's a risk of movement with these, not as good. So now I'll just show you how we wheel them around. Just move back a bit. I'll show that narrow. How narrow it is. You obviously get into narrow areas. You know, that's quite often the distance between the two houses. You'll be able to speed this up, won't you?
Set for now.